Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view and edit multiple parts of your Microsoft Word document in one go. Okay, so right now I have this document here, and let's say that I wanted to edit multiple sections at once. So here I have two options in how you can do that. The first one, you're going to just click on View, and then you're going to scroll down to the section of what you'd like to compare, and then you're going to click on Split, and you're going to select the section of where you want your document to split. And as you can see, I now have divided my document into two sections where I can edit the top half of my document, and then I can compare it to the bottom half of my document. So if I wanted to edit probably page 3 and then see what I have in page 2, then I can do that. So that's one way to do it. So I'm going to remove my split here. So the next option is just by reducing your zoom right here. So I'm just going to reduce my zoom, and as you can see, as I reduce it, then I can see more pages. So I can see multiple pages at once. When I go to 50%, I'm seeing 3 pages, but the font is kind of small, so I'm going to leave it at maybe 60%. Where I can edit. So as you can see, I can edit different pages at the same time. And if I wanted to see maybe 3 pages at once, then I can edit across my pages at once. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.